All right, guys, here is the next mobility thing that you should be doing that you didn't even know about. What often gets super wrecked is all of these muscles around the scapula. You've got, the traps, the rhomboids, the lats, all of this in here just likes get all bunched up. So I'm going to show you a mobility technique that you can work out all of these knots that like to get stuck up in here. All right, so you're gonna need your lacrosse ball. Love these things, right? And I prefer to do this laying down on my back. You can also do it against a wall if getting down on the ground is not accessible to you. So you're gonna take the ball and you're gonna go find those hot spots. So you just put it behind your shoulder, roll around until you find spots that feel painful and sticky. And go gentle. Don't like try and slam into it or anything. But okay, so there's a spot right there. So when you find it, you can just gently pulse into it. Breathe. Make sure you're still breathing. Tense up and relax. Tense and relax. And then also go through some range of motion. There are definitely some spots here that are more painful than others. Work on it for a good 1 to 2 minutes and you'll notice that it will start to relax. I used to have really bad knots, especially around my left shoulder, to the point where I couldn't even lift. Like, it was bad. But I did this even in between sets to get it to like freaking let go, because it turns into like a muscle spasm. So you have to put in a different input into that area to basically make it like reset itself. It's like, no, that's not pain. This is, uncomfortable. But it also helps to increase blood flow to that area by squishing it. And then when you let go, blood rushes in, and that's part of the healing process that we need to encourage. So getting in there, working on those sticky areas where you're having issues. And if you've got an acute issue where you have like a knot that's built up for a while, you're gonna have to do this like every day until you finally get it worked out. And then you're gonna need to maintain it, because guess what? Once you have an area of weakness, it just continues to be a problem. So if you have an area where there's neck pain, my left shoulder, maybe I have a little bit of a tear in there or something, but it's not so bad that I can't move it, but it will pop sometimes, and it's not painful. So, and always make sure that you talk with a, orthopedic or something if you do have an acute injury, or if you have a chronic injury that just won't go away, if you're having decreased range of motion, if you're having extreme joint pain or anything like that. And also stop taking NSAIDs every day. You're killing your kidneys. All right, go take care of yourself.